How to improve English speaking skills. 5 tips for improving your English speaking skills. Firstly, speak, speak, speak.
Be confident and speak as often as possible, to as many people as you possibly can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill, like learning a musical instrument or new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it.
Secondly, read aloud.
Read the newspaper or a magazine out loud to yourself. You can even find a script from your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation, as you can concentrate on how your English sounds without worrying about sentence structure or grammar.
Thirdly, record your practice conversations.
After a conversation is over, take a moment to reflect. How did it go? How much do you think you understood? How comfortable did you feel with the subject matter? Did you encounter any unknown words? The mere act of thinking about it in this way will increase your confidence the next time you speak, and give you targeted things to work on, such as vocabulary you didn't understand.
Fourthly, find an English-speaking conversation partner.
It's important to find a partner to practice with, ideally a native English speaker. If you live around English speakers, try incorporating informal conversations into your daily life. If that isn't an option, consider hiring a private tutor you can meet online via tools like Skype or Google Hangouts.
Finally, don't forget to use technology.
A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. It can help you find reading material, converse with tutors, or even record yourself speaking.
Five tips for improving your English speaking skills. Firstly, speak, speak, speak. Secondly, read aloud. Thirdly, record your practice conversations. Fourthly, find an English-speaking conversation partner. Finally, don't forget to use technology.